Hello, my name is Zoya Khanam and this is my team for the major project presentation. So my team members are Yashi Sen and Yashi Gupta, and the title of our major project is Restaurant Order Management Web App. And the name of our guide is Professor Zeba Vishwakarma ma'am. Over to Yashi Sen.
So the abstract of our project is a restaurant order management web app transform restaurant operations by integrating essential functionalities such as order tracking, inventory management, table reservations, and payment processing into a single streamlined platform. Developed using React.js and JavaScript, it offers a seamless and initiative user experience that simplifies day-to-day tasks for both staff and management. Real-time update ensures that orders are accurately tracked from placement to fulfillment, reducing error and enhancing customer satisfaction. The app's inventory management features enables restaurant to monitor stock level effectively, receive low stock alerts, and generate detailed reports, helping to reduce waste and ensure timely restocking. So the introduction of our project is the order management web app for restaurants is a simple yet powerful tool designed to streamline the ordering process in restaurant. By digitalizing order management, the app ensures efficient communication between staff, reduce error and enhance customer experience. Built with modern technologies like React.js and JavaScript. This web app provides an initiative interface for taking, tracking, and managing orders, making restaurant operations smoother and more efficient. Whether it's dine in, takeaway, or delivery, the app simplifies operations for both staff and customers. Over to Yashi.
Now we're going to talk about the tech stack which we're going to use in our app for making the wonderful application. First of all, we are going to use the React.js for building the user interface. Second, JavaScript for front-end logic and functionality. And with the Node.js for the backend development, Express.js as the web application framework, MongoDB or MySQL for the database management, Redux or Context API for the state management, Firebase or AWS for real-time data synchronization and hosting, payment gateway integration for the secure transactions, RESTful APIs for communication between front-end and backend, and definitely Webpack or Wite for module building and development optimization. Now, we're going to talk about that what is better in our app versus what is better in the other apps. So we are going to compare our web application with the Domino's order app. So first of all, the primary purpose of our web app, it is general order management for all restaurants, whereas in the Domino's, it is dedicated only for the pizza ordering app or Domino's. Second is order customization. In our app, we are giving the flexible customization for diverse menus, whereas in the Domino's, extensive pizza customization options are present. Third, inventory management, integrated real time inventory tracking, which is present in our app, whereas in the Domino's, it is limited to the Domino's internal use only. Reservation management. In our app, we are providing the building table reservation system, but in Domino's, that's not available. Scalability, and in our app, it is scalable for small to large restaurants, whereas Domino's limited to only Domino's operation. When we talk about the technology in our app, which we have built the app using React.js and JavaScript, whereas in the Domino's, it is proprietary technologies tailored to the Domino's only. User interface, in our app, we are providing intuitive and customizable UI for the restaurant, but in the Domino's, it is only customized for the Domino's branding. Customer scope, in our app, restaurants for any side and cuisine, and in the Domino's, it is only Domino's customers only. Cost, affordable pricing for restaurant owners, which is provided in our app, whereas in the Domino's, it is free for the customer supported by the Domino's. And the last but not the least, that is the customer support. In our app, we are providing the dedicated supports for restaurants, but Domino's, it is only focused on the Domino's order. Now we're going to talk about the data flow diagram of our app. So first of all, we are having the user. The user will send the order details, and then it will going to the order management component, and then it will going to store in the data. That is the stored orders which will get stored in the database. And then the database, it will give us the order details, and then it will reach the order management, and then the user will get the order confirmation. When we talk about the payment, the user will send the payment info. It will go to the payment processing component, and then in the database we're going to store the payments. And when the payment process is completed, the user get the payment receipt. In the database, we are also having the inventory update, which will going to update the stock status, and it will going to directly link to with the admin component, and the admin component will in return, it will going to update with the stock updates to the inventory update, and then it will going to store in the database. Over to Zoya.
So now we are going to talk about the database description. So first will be the user table. Here there are four main attributes, which is user ID, name, email and role. User ID will be the primary key. It will be the unique ID for each user. The name and email will be of varchar type, and the role will be admin, customer or staff. So there will be order table. So in the order table there will be order ID, user ID, item ID, quantity and status of the order. The order ID will serve as the primary key for this table, and the user ID will serve as the foreign key attribute, which will allow us to have the relationship between the two tables. There will be item table. Here item ID, that will be the primary key, which will be unique for each item, and the item name, price and category will be there. Category will be appetizer, main course or dessert, based on what the person is interested in ordering. The price will be in decimal and the item name will be varchar type. So there will be this reservation table. Here we can reserve the table for the customers. Reservation table consists of reservation ID, which will also be the primary key for this table. User ID, which will be the foreign key, which will give us the relationship between the two tables, which is the user table and the reservation table. Table number, it will be int type. This will be the table number reserved for the customer. Date, as per the date of reservation, and time slot for the reservation. So here is the use case diagram for our project. There are mainly three characters in our system: the user or the customer, the chef or the cook, and the administrator, which will be the admin. So the user can create their account, order food and reserve table, and also order drinks, which is an extended version. And the chef or cook will confirm the order, send notification on order status, and check the customer's order. And the administrator will add new items for the menu, delete items food from the menu, edit prices in food menu, and check transactions. So the conclusion and future enhancement of our project is the restaurant management web app optimizes restaurant operation by automatically order taking, inventory management, reservation and payment, providing a comprehensive solution to streamline workflow. By integrating real-time updates, it ensures accurate tracking, minimizing human errors, and improve overall efficiency. The platform's ability to generate actionable insight from data enables managers to make informed decisions, enhancing service quality and operation profitability. Future enhancement could focus on incorporating mobile integration or to-go access, AI-driven menu recommendations, etc. And here are the references: the Firebase documentation reference, React official documentation, Node.js documentation, and all the other references. Thank you.